Welcome to MyKidney Care Nutrition app. This app is made for kidney patients to help you manage your diet. You can track what you eat and drink every day. Compare your data to your personal limits for important nutrients so you stay within the guidelines from your doctors. Whether you're new to apps or have used them before, this tool makes it easier to care for your kidney health. Let's see how it works. First, download the MyKidney Care Nutrition app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign up with your email address. You'll get a code in your email. Enter the code and set your password. Now you're ready to go. Next time, just log in with your email and password. After logging in, you'll see 4 options at the bottom: My Meals, Nutrition, Profile, and Info. Start with the Nutrition tab. Here, you can see all the nutrients and fluids the app tracks. It uses Canada's daily nutrient levels, but you can change these based on your doctor's advice. To change a nutrient target, click on Nutrition, choose the nutrient, and enter your goal. For example, to set a sodium goal, click Sodium and enter your target. You can track up to 4 nutrients, including fluids. The app can send alerts if you go over your daily limits, so you can adjust your intake. Now it's time to start eating. To begin, click the plus sign at the bottom right to add meal items or fluids. You can log your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and up to 3 snacks each day. If you have other items to track, choose Other. It's easy to customize your entries, helping you stay on top of your nutrient and fluid intake throughout the day. Let's start with breakfast. Press Create Meal, then click Meal Name, choose Breakfast, and hit Save. Now, add item and search your breakfast items. For example, if you're having a bagel with cream cheese, enter each item, a bagel, and then the cream cheese, with the serving size and quantity. As you add each food item, tap the search icon. The app will suggest the closest match based on your description. Once it finds the right option, click it, and the app will fill in the nutritional details. This makes it quick and easy to track your meals. You'll see the app calculate the nutritional values for each item. If you want to track the nutritional value of your fluids, add them under Meals too, just like for the bagel and the cream cheese. It's that simple to stay on top of your nutrition. To log your total intake of fluids, use the Fluid option. Enter every drink, including water, soups, and other beverages, to stay within your recommended fluid limits and manage your kidney health better. The Fluid option tracks total volume of fluid in a day. To get the nutritional value of the fluids, you must also add them under the Meal option. For example, if you add 1 cup of orange juice to your fluid intake and want to count the nutrients, like potassium, add orange juice to your meal or snack as well. One last thing about tracking. If you miss a day, you can't go back and add items for the previous day, so you must track in real time. On the Profile page, you can set your preferences for receiving notifications. You can also choose the time of day you'd like to be alerted if any of your tracked key nutrients exceed the set limits. This way, you'll get a reminder to adjust your food intake for the rest of the day, helping you stay on track with your health goals. As the day goes on, any nutrient limits that have been exceeded will be highlighted in yellow. If they reach an extreme level, they will turn red, making it easy for you to see where adjustments are needed to stay within your recommended limits. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who may benefit. Also, check out our Kidney Care Cookbook, filled with delicious and safe recipe ideas recommended by our expert dietitians. It's a great resource for anyone managing kidney health. You'll find links to both the app and the cookbook in the description below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave any feedback or questions in the comments section. Take care, stay healthy, and remember, managing your kidney health doesn't have to be complicated. We're here to help every step of the way.